All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and caution, this is a rant. Dorman sucks. We all know Dorman sucks, and so does MTC. I got a Jeep product behind the camera. Getting the transmission, getting transfer case, I talked about it, what's going on around the shop last week. But anyway, one of the things it also was getting was a new oil pan. No big deal. Steel oil pan, I tend to replace them because sometimes they get bent just trying to get them off, because I don't know how they leak, but yet they won't come loose. And I bent the snot out of that one because it was stuck on but leaking like hell. The reason I'm complaining about them is they didn't build a oil pan that actually fits the car. It bolts up fine to the engine. The problem is on that particular 2.4 multi-air, the AC compressor bracket bolts to the oil pan. And they put a lip there. I mean, why'd you put a lip there? The OE pan doesn't have a lip. You don't need a lip because it fits another application is what it is. And I can tell you right now, the Dorman pan and the MTC pan are made at the same plant. And they're the same exact product. The only difference is what box it says. And I'm stuck waiting for UPS to get a Mopar pan in to finish that car up because, well, Dorman and MTC. I mean, how hard is it to make a pan that actually fits? Stamped steel. You know, I mean, it's just mind-blowing that companies can't even make a product that fits that's as simple as an oil pan. I mean, come on, we're talking about a steel oil pan. There's no lip on the Mopar pan, on the original pan, but the two aftermarket ones do. And it's like, anyway, little rant about Dorman products. We all love to hate them. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.